Hello paper artisans and fellow crafters, it's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. I am here today with a video response for Poet Spice's Autumn Gratitude Collab 2020, and I am still making gifts for folks for November, and I wanted to give something to some of the people that actually work for me, are part of my team. And you know how much I love my candles, but I'm doing a different candle box that I'm going to show you. But let me tell you what paper I used first. So, you know, I was really loving my blue pumpkin. So I used the Pumpkin Vines paper, and actually I've used these sheets. I just finished up what I had that was already cut actually to do this project. I didn't cut any new pages out of here. So I used paper that I had already started using. And I used the one of the colors out of this Blue Skies, which is 110 pound from Michaels. And I love these papers to make boxes, and I actually buy different sets of the colors. So this one's the blues. I have some reds and some pinks as well, and I always get them when they're on sale for $9.99. They're regular $15, so I always love that sale. Sometimes I do use my 50% off coupon for them, but those are becoming more rare. Of course, these candles were a doorbuster at Joann's, and so I always buy 4 different fragrances so that I get 4 colors. And then I made this box. It's like a diamond fold, and it was really simple. I think my biggest complaint is that the paper that I use this 8.5 by 11 paper, and it I felt like it used a lot of paper because the cut didn't yield me 4 from one sheet. It only yielded me 2. So that I felt like I had a lot of scraps. So I used the cover, the 2 different prints from the pad. And like I said, I just used what was left. And then I took the scraps of the blue, and I made the note card to go with it, and I used white out of my scraps, and I used whatever scrap was left. So again, I didn't cut any new sheets for these. I was, like I said, really trying to make use of my whole sheet of paper. And so that's why you'll see these cards are really like all different sizes, because I was trying to use what I had. So even there's a different size one. All right, so this was really simple. I will put the tutorial in the description box for you, and thanks for watching.